Ever wonder how your web app finds the database in Docker Compose? Hint, it's not an IP address. When you define services in a Compose file, Docker automatically creates a default bridge network and connects every service to it. Here's the really useful part. Docker sets up built-in DNS so that each service name becomes a valid hostname. So if you have a service called DB, your web container can reach it at db:5432. No hard-coded IP addresses, no extra configuration. Docker resolves that name to the right container automatically. Now for ports. And this trips up beginners. Containers on the same Compose network already see each other, no port declarations needed. The ports field in Compose is specifically for exposing a service to your host machine. So when you write 8080:80, that means traffic hitting port 8080 on your laptop gets routed to port 80 inside the container. Useful for browsers and external tools. For more control, you can define custom named networks. This lets you isolate services. Put your database only on a back-end network so the public-facing front-end cannot reach it directly. You just list which networks each service joins. To summarize, Compose auto-wires a default network where service names are host names. Use ports to expose to the host and custom networks for isolation. Like this if it helped, and follow for more. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.